How to change the default download drive in Steam. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you the exact method on how you can switch or set a particular default download drive for Steam. So in order to set this out, what you will need to do is first click onto this Steam option at the top left corner, and then from here click onto settings. Now once you click onto the settings, you can see the storage option right here. So click onto the storage option, and from this drop down you can choose that particular storage that you want to set as default. So currently my C drive is set as the default. So instead I will click onto this D drive, and then I'll click onto these three options. And once I will do this, I will have this option which says make default. So click onto this make default, and now my tree drive is the default drive as indicated by this yellow star. And upon hovering, you can also see this message which says Steam will default to installing content on this hard drive. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.